Dang, what happened here?
Trying to get in.
So this is your job right here?
Yeah.
You're trying to get in. You definitely didn't want to call a locksmith, huh?
Fuck no. I was like, I'm gonna fucking do it, damn it.
That's funny. Well, let's see. What's the easiest way? I don't know. Should I just take a wrench and yank that thing off the door?
Well, it's metal, dude. It won't fucking come off.
Oh, you tried?
I tried everything.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I could drill a cylinder.
Yeah, just throw the cylinder. That's the easiest. And then I seen the double, you know, the little tiny, what do you call it?
What happened
That's
there?
where the keys are, dude.
Everyone's key wouldn't work or something?
Nobody's got a key, and the batteries died
Oh.
to the fucking thing.
Well, what I would have done
You
was
don't got a pair of vice grips.
I would have taken this off with vice grips.
Yeah, I didn't have no fucking vice grips.
Yeah. Should have saved a lot, you know?
Yeah.
So what's the plan? Are you going to buy a new lock?
Yeah.
I'm doing it your way.
Exactly. Thank you.
Yeah. I think that makes a difference, though, actually, because
No.
gotta get to that cylinder.
Exactly.
Uh-oh. I really ruined it, huh? Is that the plan?
Let me tell you now.
Okay. All right. Well, now that I did all that, I'm going to drill it. Oh, it's Sunday. A lot of times if you do that, that's all you have to do. Let's see. That's today, but this is all. That's that. I feel like that's turned already.
Destroyed.
Yep, time for a new lock.
Yep, yep.
Make the cheap owner pay for one, right?
Yep. That's where the key is.
Inside?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Usually where. That should be open already. Trying to do this one-handed. I feel like that's open. What do you guys think? Get the side of the way. Yeah, it was. It's a little, yeah, it was getting caught. Even on
Oh,
the
the
inside.
batteries are on the inside.
The batteries, another. Oh, you knocked it off.
Yeah.
Hey. You went crazy on this thing.
I fucking went nuts. Alright. Hey,
I'll take it off for you. So.
okay. What's your name?
Mendel. They have an issue with this laundry room, or they just? Uh-oh.
Yay!
Should I toss it?
Alright. Got it.
Cool. Does this lock work? They have a key. People have a key to this one, or no?
No, nobody's got it.
I was going to say, if you have a key to that, then
Copies. The hell out of it.
do they really need the deadbolt? Or what?
We just bought the whole washer set.
Oh yeah, so you don't want people to steal it.
Exactly.
Yeah. That makes sense. All right, time to order a new one, I guess. Oh dang! Look what I just did. Oh, perfect. Let's go through the keyhole.
That's smaller. Yeah.